Let's see how Templafy works in Outlook. Great emails start with the right content. Templafy helps you find and use the right content so your emails always look professional, consistent, and on brand. With Templafy, everything is in one place. You can start your email with a template, then add images, insert links, or attach PDFs, all directly from Outlook. Your company may also have other integrations available. If so, you'll also see them in your libraries. Let's start by using an email template. First, go to the Home tab and start a new email. In the task pane, click Library to open your company's content. From here, you can browse the email templates you have available to you or use the search bar to locate something specific. Once you've found the template you need, click to insert it into your email. Some templates may ask you a few quick questions. This helps customize the content automatically. You can further refine your email like you normally would. Or, if that's available to you, you can navigate to the AI assistant and find quick actions to edit it. Select the text to edit and choose the relevant action. You can review the output before inserting it to your email. Easy as that. Next, you have the PDF library, useful to attach PDFs when creating emails to colleagues or external people. To attach a PDF, go to your PDFs library. Again, you can search for a specific PDF or browse what has been made available to you. Select the PDF you need and click to attach it to your email. Now, let's add links to your email. For this, let's grab a new example and build a newsletter. First, let's find the template. Once inserted, I can start crafting it like I normally would and head over to the links library to add some links. Finally, let's add an image to your email. No more browsing online to find relevant images. They're all available right inside of Outlook. To add an image, select your placeholder or shape in your email and click on the image of your choice. Resize the image if necessary and click outside to validate. If you want, you can also insert an image and it'll insert where your cursor is. All of this is great, but what if you want quick access to your most used assets? As you work, you can save your favorite email templates, images, links, and PDFs by clicking the star icon. That way, everything you need is just a click away. Thanks for watching. With Templafy and Outlook, you can send professional, on-brand emails in just a few clicks. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try it out for yourself.